हो गया तो बोलना। एक मिनट।
मेरे भाई अनिल भाई।
थैंक यू। थैंक यू।
और कितना है भाई?
सर 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 पीछे भी ध्यान दो। थोड़ा पीछे। योर राइट रूम, योर राइट। करीना राइट साइड। योर राइट, ये राइट राइट। वेट मैम, योर राइट। मैम योर राइट। मैम योर राइट साइड। वेट वेट
थैंक यू।
वेट 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 प्लीज प्लीज। आपने वहाँ पे ही जाना।
आप जाओ ना। थैंक यू सो मच। Technology overall price.
बनी थी जा बाबा, तू जा एक चैनल डे लाइट लेते ना।
You want to finish or you want to do this first?
नहीं, लाइट जाएगा फिर यहाँ पे फर्स्ट।
Like जाएगा?
करना बे, बाहर निकले करना। फिर अभी तक शुरू है। किस साइड आ जाइए?
Come. They're all mine. Exactly only my order. Come. I'm going to have it now. Come. Come, buddy. Just let me.
I'm right, please.
Thank you.
I'm right, please. I'm right, please.
Thank you.
I'm here.
Thank you. Thank you so much. Thank you. Let's start. We are waiting. Come.
I love that for you. A warm welcome to both of you, and to now welcome both of you one more time. Let me please invite Ms. Madhu Chopra to extend a warm welcome. These flowers will stay in the family, as you can see. They're not going really far away. So, well, a very warm welcome to both of you. Siddharth, we love this place.
Met a lot of people here. And that's when I started thinking to myself, what is, the cuisines that can tick every person in Pune? And Pune is such a market that there are a lot of Indians and a lot of expat crowd. So that's the first thing that led to my mind is what is one cuisine that will gel both with the Indian and the expat crowd, and that's Italian. And Italian is something, it's not very spicy. Our Indian people also love eating Italian. I mean, cheese goes in our blood as well. And, so that's why we thought that, let's do an Italian format. And we started with the Mugshot Lounge being an Italian format. And we made an extended version being the Mugshot Cafe, which can be an all-day dining concept where, people can have from breakfast to dinners, every type of food. And most importantly, food that is comfortable to them. Absolutely. Things like we have chicken wings, we have different varieties of buffalo wings, different varieties of potatoes that we serve over here. We have our shawarmas and doner kebabs over here that we are serving. So that's for the cafe segment. And the common ground between our cafe and our lounge are the wood fire pizzas, which are pretty amazing, by the way. And the lounge, being the niche that it is more of an evening setting and fine dining. At the same time, you don't have to dress like you're in a fancy restaurant because we're a lounge. So therefore, Italian over there and an all-day dining American experience in the cafe.
Best of both worlds,
Yes.
right here. If you want to just have a chilled out day or an evening, you've got a solution all 7 days of the
That's
week.
right.
Right? All right, so Pariniti, your brother's got a new place. How happy are you? Are you excited?
Yeah, she's been dying to try the food.
Really? I think we're going to start with the pizzas right after this, right? So
Definitely.
say something about this. This is like a big moment for the family.
You know, I cannot believe, like for a moment I forgot all of you guys were here when I was listening to him, because for me, he's younger, first of all.
And he's called Gucci.
He's called Gucci at home, and that's what I'm going to say. So Gucci is always that person who, if we couldn't find him at home, he was in the kitchen. Like, it was known. Like, right from, it could be Maggi noodles, or it could be idlis, or it could be cakes, or it could be anything. He would learn all these amazing things in his school, and he would come and say, today I'm cooking. And there was no dinner at home. And Bari Mama would be given chutti that day, कि Gucci is cooking. So he was always in the kitchen, so I knew he had to do something related to this. But for me, the most amazing thing is to see him as a businessman now. I can't believe he's grown up. I can't believe he owns a lounge. I can't believe that he actually had to, call me to, take part in his business launch. For me, these are unimaginable things, but I'm so proud. Also, the fact that he's opened a really cool and practical place. I mean, it's not something hi-fi that he's trying to sell. It's simple. You've got friends. Are you bored? Come here, chill, have fun. It's hangout. The way you go to any coffee place, if you're hungry, you come here. You get best drinks. You get the best food. Of course, we're not discussing all the pizzas that I'm going to be eating. But it's just amazing, tasty food. And I've already eaten one meal.
So would they have an express delivery only for you, like at a beck and call? I want a pizza!
They had better. Excuse me? I'm very upset right now. He's buying me a house here so that I can live here and eat from
you
here.
and your house thing.
Listen,
Wow.
I
love you for this. Wherever you go, you've got to have an address. So now we have an address to eat and party all days of the week here in Pune. You're going to have an address to stay and party. So now, what makes a lounge or a cafe really special? It's food, right? There is a big factor to that. So should we call the person who's behind all those lovely, tasty pizzas and the cuisine? Yes?
Yes.
Well, ladies and gentlemen, please help me welcome Chef Mirajuddin Ansari, who's the chef of this place, the man who puts together all the dishes.
Woo-woo!
A very warm welcome.
Thanks a lot.
How does it feel to be a part of the Mugshot Lounge and
Obviously,
Cafe?
I'm feeling amazing. And
Yes?
I'm very excited over here.
So if you were to tell me one of your favorite dish from the entire menu.
This is one of my favorite, that is the Valencia prawns. It's not only my favorite now, it's his favorite now, even the Priyanka ma'am's favorite now. And the expats, like if you talk about the Italian people and German people, when they are coming, they are loving it. So that is the Valencia prawns. It's actually made with prawns, and this is actually from Spain. You can say that, from the Barcelona. And this place is very much famous about the seafood and the sauce, kind of sauce which they serve. So we are serving that Valencia prawns with the orange citrus vinaigrette.
Lovely. And we've got the pizzas, which are really authentic. All the ingredients are here all the way from Italy.
Yeah, all the pizzas what we are making right now, the best part of the pizza is we are making the best pizza in the city right now. You must have seen that all the pizzas in other properties or other places, they are making with the gas ovens. But we are making with the wood fire heat. Actually, we are putting that wood in the oven and for the 2 hours to get the heat at 600 degrees centigrade and above to make sure that pizza is coming very thin crust and very crusty. And also, it gives a very good smoky flavor to the pizza. So that's what it is. And even when I'm talking about that ingredients, a kind of ingredients, that is mozzarella cheese and pilati. Pilati is the peeled tomato sauce.
Right.
which we are importing from Italy.
Everything is from Italy. So the pizzas are to die for, guys. So now, Siddharth, you've got to tell me, why is this man in charge of this food here? What made you choose him for Mugshot Lounge and Cafe? Did you like try all of his recipes, all of his dishes? Or was it something about his personality that kind of just stayed back with you that, yes, this is the man who's going to make this place like absolutely awesome for everyone to hang out?
Well, firstly, we met at a friend's place actually. And when I was handed over his CV, I was pretty amazing because I was pretty amazed because it was firstly 4 pages long, which was very extensive, and it took me a lot of time to go through it and see if he suited my needs. And I knew that I wanted to do a proper Italian place. And Chef Miraj, his expertise is actually in Italian and Awadhi cuisine. So best of both worlds. So food as well available in the lounge, which most of our expats as well as our Indian crowd would love to get with their drinks, and it's the perfect combination that you're able to cater to both the sides, especially with your Italian food and your tandoors. We do not believe in doing Indian gravy because as a lounge, it's a place where you would want to sit, you want to enjoy yourself, dance around. So you can't be sitting and, eating a gravy meal.
Exactly.
You can eat something that's light, something, like a tandoori item. And that's, his expertise is perfect in that because, of course, Awadhi cuisine. So that's why I knew he fit the bill exact and we hired him immediately.
Dum Phuk biryani is part of Awadhi cuisine?
Yes, this is the dum
I've got to try that on the menu. Okay. So you know what? I've had enough of questions. I'm sure all of you guys also have a question for all of our 3 special guests. So if you have a question, just raise your hand and we'll come right on to you. We've had a lot of early birds. Yeah, I know. We've got food also. Lovely food for you all guys to taste. If you want to ask Parneeti, Siddharth, or our chef anything about Mugshot Lounge, the special evening that we got for you.
Come on, miss.
We've got a question.
Come on. कौन सी वेकेशन? क्योंकि मैं मायामी, हाँ वो इतना टाइम हो गया उसको क्योंकि उसके बाद इतना काम हो गया कि मैं भूल चुकी हूँ उसे. But हाँ बहुत मजा आया यार. I went with my 2 younger brothers. One of them is sitting here. Sit क्या भाई?
Shukri, where are you?
Raise your hand. That's my younger brother, Shivang. So he and my other brother, Sehaj, we 3 had never been on a holiday together, and now they both are grown up. So we thought we'll go. So we went to Miami for 5 days. It was the best holiday ever. It was so much fun just bonding. We like shared a room and like, just spent all our time together and ate together and like slept, and we were jet lagging and we walked miles and miles. So it was amazing. बहुत 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 मजा आया. I'm dying to go again actually now. देखो मैं दुनिया में जहाँ पर भी हूँ ना, मुझे पिज्ज़ा से ऊपर और कुछ दिखाई नहीं देता है. वो आई थिंक सबको पता ही है. तो जब यहाँ पे गुची ने मुझे फ़ोन किया था तो उसने बोला बाय द वे यू विल गेट अमेजिंग पिज्ज़ाज. तो मैंने कहा आई एम ऑन. मैं आ रही हूँ. सो आई एम डाइंग टू एक्चुअली टेस्ट द पिज्ज़ाज बिकॉज जहाँ पर हम लोग पिज्ज़ाज खाते हैं नॉर्मली वो नॉर्मल थिक क्रस्ट वो सब हम लोग खाते हैं, बट यहाँ पे वुड फायर्ड पिज्ज़ाज मिलते हैं जो बहुत कम मिलता है. And वो बहुत authentic taste होता है, very Italian. So I'm very excited to eat the pizza here, actually.
Definitely.
ऐसा इसको ना ले actually तो better होगा. कुची?
मैं देखना चाहता हूँ कि इनके cooking skills की क्या limitations है. मैं definitely
omelette बना के दूंगी इनको. मैं पिज्ज़ा नहीं बनाती, मैं आज सीख के बनाने वाली हूँ. मुझे खुद से कुछ नहीं आता. सो आई एम एक्चुअली टेकिंग दिस एज अ लर्निंग एक्सपीरियंस ऑल्सो. बट नहीं, मैं नहीं बनाती. बट आई लव द क्लासिक मार्गरीटा एनी टाइम. सो टुडे शेफ kindly.
We have a question there.
The oven can take 9 pizzas at a time, na?
We have a question there.
It's great if they cook. It's very convenient. It saves me a lot of time from ordering. But Otherwise, yeah, I'm a big foodie. Yeah. I genuinely like, I study food and I like reading about food. I watch TV shows. The only thing I don't do is cook, just because I don't have the patience to stand in the kitchen. I know this is the wrong place to say that, but that's why I'm here, because I'll be served and I'll eat great food and go.
Everyone in the family is a foodie, but some of them just don't cook.
Yeah, you know, it's so funny. Chopra's mates half and half. Half of them are brilliant cooks, and half of us, like, we only wait for them to cook for us. So, yeah, I'm a big foodie. So this place is perfect for me. Gooch.
Thanks.
All right, so if you don't have any more questions, we'll move on. All right, so I'd like to call on Mrs. Madhu Chopra one more time, and let's do a photo of
Shivang, you also come up.
Shangu, sit cap, come on.
Ladies and gentlemen, thank you very much for taking your time out, and it's been an honor to have you all here. And it's a very proud moment for me to have my little one also spreading his wings and Pariniti supporting him. I would like to, gentlemen, Chef Mirajuddin, and he has completely proved his worth, and I'm totally dependent on him now to serve you all fantastic food. And you have a treat to look forward to in a short while. I will let our chef will be hosting your evening for you. And can I call my team across so you just get to know the fantastic group of people, the management. Siddhant Kapoor, he is the GM. Salman.
Okay, he's down.
Salman, can we have you here if you're there? All right, come. And you want to introduce the rest of them?
Prerna, where is she? Come. So, and Sagar, you also come here, please. Sagar's my bar manager. Okay. Yes, this is my entire executive team of Mugshot Lounge and Cafe. And a big round of applause for everyone, my entire kitchen and my entire operations team over there. Thank you guys, everyone. And Chef, over to you.
All right, so we also have a very special evening planned. We've spoken a lot about the pizzas, and so Chef is going to be giving Pariniti a crash course in making a pizza this evening, I feel.
Okay, I would like to invite everybody to come over there and we'll make pizza. And Pariniti ma'am is going to make. And obviously, then you'll experience the best pizza what I was talking about.
All right, I request everyone to kindly move out. Join us for the pizza baking.
One, too good.
अरे क्या कर रहे हो, क्या कर रहे हो?
पिज्जा बनाना बहुत मेहनत का काम है. I'm just gonna stretch it. The end of everything. You must see his. It's a disaster. This is why he only owns it. Mine is also a disaster. This arms workout that is happening. How am I doing it? I think I'm not flipping. For my reputation.
Once more, one more time.
Can you see my brothers having fun with these videos? You better not put them online.
Good.
ये देखो मेरा अमेजिंग जो मैंने बनाया है. Too good, huh?
Cheating.
So I already put the toppings. So I put toppings. I think I can come up. I have it. If I have it. Sorry, Mama, Vaishni. This is especially for you. You're making margarita. This is especially for you. Reach.
अरे दोस्त जरा पीछे.
Yeah. Coffee dad.
पीछे दादा कैमरा पीछे 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 दादा पीछे अपने जरा गोल Show. Bari, yeah. Bari.
And how long? Are you guys ready to wait for 10 minutes?
Now for the time being, we'll go on to the other lounge. This is the cafe, we've got another lounge where we have something else in store for you. And for detail,
Yes, fine.
so ladies and gentlemen, let's go to the next venue, which is right two rooms away actually.
आगे जाके सबके फ्रेम में आगे
Ready, 3, 2, 1.
बैठ रहे
I'm too inspired.
पीछे करना विनोद
They're like few
क्यों उठा रहे तू पीछे वालों को नहीं मिलेगा रे वो सोचने लो कर लेना कैमरा उठा रहा थोड़ा सा अरे पीछे वाले ना मेरे
Okay, guys. अंदर चलते हैं. जो मैंने पिज्जा बनाया था वो रेडी हो चुका है. इधर भी जल्दी हो गया.
मैम यहाँ पे मैडम यहाँ पे
पहले चेक कर लो. पहले चेक कर रहे हैं आप.
अरे भाई हट रहे
Not bad for first time. Not bad for first time.
Wow. Is this what you eat? Bravo.
कुछ नहीं करना बैठ जाओ
All right. So it's not just the pizzas that we'll be serving. We'll also be serving you some more starters or finger food. As
finger
we call
food
it.
we are going to serve now coming
As you said, last food was
Shagun. Good.
So we had our chef talking about what this
fine
is.
dining
Fine dining
place.
experience.
Fine dining depends on kind of ingredients we are using in the restaurant and the kind of people, kind of service you are giving. And very fine dining, a very good quality of service when you are serving to the people. That's what we call fine dining. And of course, yes, I have used for this restaurant the most imported ingredients to make sure that we have something different serving in the restaurant.
What are the things that you look out for?
I think for me the most important thing is ambience. It has to make me feel good the moment I get in. You know, sometimes you enter a place and you don't really feel it, you don't order food. For me the ambience is so important. I'm also seeing this place for the first time today with you. And I'm so proud of him. I swear to God, I can't believe that, he literally has this whole floor to himself and, he's going to have so many people here coming, eating, chilling. you know, this is what we do at home. You know, our whole family sits together and we just like talk loudly and laugh like mad and we're eating. So, I mean, I can totally see that, you know, he's kind of brought that culture here, which is amazing. I think that's
why this is a soundproof room.
yeah. So I think it's just so cool. I'm loving the interiors. I'm loving everything. I'm just loving the vibe. So I know that when I come in here, I'll feel like ordering a drink or I'll feel like ordering something to eat. So I think it's a really cool thing. So I'm happy. I'm happy for him.
Long nights with one drink and then you go to another and then there'll be a lot of food and lots of pizzas and go
Yeah, and music. You want to talk about the music? What
Yes,
kind of music
we want to
there
know
is?
about the music.
Very important.
So we have different nights on every day of the week, right?
Yes, we have different theme nights that we are doing. We have our, so we've implemented a few of them already, and we'll be making out our monthly calendar, which will go out soon, which will have our plan for the whole month. So we've started our karaoke nights, we've started our events that we do. We just recently had our first Harvest Festival, which was we combined Lori, Makar Sankranti, and Pongal. So it was a great success. So we had it at the cafe. And we have our Sunday brunches every Sunday, and we have different local bands playing here, and people have enjoyed themselves. They come here, brunches are on from noon to 4, and they really enjoy themselves. Yeah. So I mean, it's started up, and it's been a great run so far. And we're
This
looking
is the
to
new
take it
addition to the Mugshot Lounge
Yes.
and Cafe, right?
Yes.
This is the new place that we're looking at.
Yes, we've done some work towards our lounge format. We've changed the format entirely now, and with Chef Miraj coming on board, it's made a great difference as well. And that side, we have turned it into our cafe because people love an outdoor sitting, and an outdoor sitting is best for a cafe atmosphere. That most of our Punaites, they love that sort of they're all outdoorsy people.
So also in terms
इतना talent of God, hidden talent में है.
why is it tasty?
ये मैंने नहीं खाए ये जो 3 slices ये खा
बनाया आपने है
You know, शेफ मेरे साथ थे, वो जो कर रहे थे मैं उनको कॉपी कर रही थी. I swear मुझे खाना पकाना नहीं आता. ये लोग geniuses हैं. सिड ने तो एक बार मतलब मुझे by the way they are both this is Siddharth. इसने मुझे एक बार पूरा डब्बा ब्राउनीज का खिलाया हुआ है. So that is the culture we have in our family and our friends. That's how we eat. So I mean, cooking was never like in my department. I would never go to the kitchen. But I'm feeling good.
but you were enjoying making the pizza
In the family, actually,
No.
in the family, it's actually most of the men that make the food, and the women eat the food. So that's the Chopra
Family to
tradition.
be in, right? It's like a dream family for every woman to get married into.
Yeah, ideal family. So yeah, and now I mean, anyway, it was fun. It was fun cooking. Thank you so
तो
much.
शेफ टेस्ट करके बताएंगे कितना अच्छा बनाया आपने
All the best. It's amazing, huh?
टेस्ट करके बताओगे कि out of 10
Because when I was talking about the thin crust pizza, so this is how it has to be. Like, you know, when you're holding, it should not be bent. So this is what.
I knew it. I knew it. It's really good. All the chefs, the certified chefs of our family, 1, 2, and now.
Your brother has had that pizza and he loves it. So that kind of just
All the
got
best.
by. She is a good cook.
I'm happy, yeah, I'm happy. I mean, I know, I remember during Dawat, you all used to ask me if I cook and all, and I seriously don't cook. This is the first thing I've ever made, seriously. So I would only do it when he's around.
Lovely. So on that note, now we kind of just break up for our food tasting. We just see what we have in store for everyone. We've got the yummy pizzas. We also got some finger foods.
Guys, thanks for coming. See you soon. Eat well. See you soon, guys. Thanks for Thank you. Harry Potter है, but I love the This is champagne. What is this? This is also champagne. This is also champagne.
Wait. Ma'am, sit. बस. पीछे से क्लियर Start from right.
या स्ट्रेट लोग यार.
मैम यू आर राइट हियर.
मैडम सामने. मैडम सामने.
Thank you.
मैम सोलो सोलो.
मैडम सो रहे. थोड़ा पीछे से क्लियर. थोड़ा पीछे से.
यू आर राइट मैम.
मैडम सामने. मैडम स्ट्रेट. मैडम सामने एक ग्लास.
मैम यू मैम.
Thank you so much, guys. Happy eating.
थैंक यू.
चलो बैक अप. फोटो मिल करोगे.
Where do I have to look?
To the camera.
There are two cameras. Okay? Center.
So the family business has taken it on. So what you want to say first of all, for anything, what you want to say about the event?
I just want to say that there is no prouder sister than me today, because for me, Gucci was always my little baby, and he's grown up, he's running a business, he's running not one but two businesses now, so I feel so happy. I just hope that it does very well, and I'm always there to eat, not to support.
Well, I'm really happy with the extension to the Mugshot Cafe that we have made, and I hope that we are able to cater to all the people of Pune, the expats, the universities, as well as the IT crowd, and I hope to make this a rocking success.
How did this idea struck you exactly? Means you want to just open this cafe for the people?
Actually, Mugshot was a name I selected with a group of friends of mine, and the original concept was the lounge, but at the same time, a lounge is a concept done fitting mostly for the evening time, and considering the price sensitivity of Pune, I wanted to give them something that, you know, is in the budget, and at the same time it's an all-day dining, so they can get choice meals in the morning, afternoon, evening for a great value for money, and that is the concept behind the Mugshot Cafe.
So any tip from Parinidhi or Priyanka Chopra?
Hard work makes you a successful person. That's what I've learned from both of them.
Is it right?
It's of course right. There is no other, there's just no substitute to this. He needs to work very hard. He's got a great place, a great location in a great city. He's got the best chefs supporting him, but he needs to work hard and get the people in. And I'm sure, I'm not even worried actually, they're going to love it. I mean, I've been here since afternoon and I feel like partying now. I really do. So I'm very excited. And if I am, then I guess the people can. But he still needs to work hard. Welcome.
Thank you. Thank you so much.
2015 is around the corner, so this has started with the, I mean, it has started 2015.
2015
One second, no,
को
no.
डेढ़ महीना हो चुका है.
Thank you, thank you, thank you, thank
It
you.
has started with a bang. So any upcoming further projects for you in the film as well?
What do you mean it started with a bang? For me?
No, with the for the family.
Right, like that. Okay. Actually, I don't have the permission to announce my film yet. I have decided, and I will shoot this year, but I'm not allowed to announce it yet. So I will soon.
Thank you so much.
Thank you.